Swastiastu, good morning everyone. It is a pleasure to present our research at the second International Conference on Business, Economic, Accounting, and Technology 2026. Today, I will present our article entitled Integration of Sustainable Business Practice in Supporting Green Economic Growth. Without further ado, let's get started. Climate change, environmental degradation, and growing socioeconomic inequality have highlighted the limitation of conventional economic system, accelerating the transition toward a green economy that balances economic growth, environmental protection, and social well-being. In this context, businesses play a crucial role by integrating sustainable business practices through environmental, social, and governance or ESG principles, which can improve resource efficiency, foster innovation, reduce environmental impact, and strengthen long-term competitiveness. Although previous studies have examined sustainable business practice and green economic development separately, limited research has provided an integrated explanation of how these practices systematically contribute to green economic growth. Therefore, this study addresses this research gap by developing an integrative framework that explains the mechanism through which sustainable business practice supports sustainable economic development. This study aims to analyze the role of sustainable business practice in supporting green economic growth and to identify the key mechanism through which these practices contribute to sustainable economic development. The research adopt a qualitative approach using a systematic literature review with descriptive analytical design. The proposed research framework positions sustainable business practice represented by environmental, social, and governance dimension as the main driver of green economic growth through innovation, resource efficiency, stakeholder value creation, and risk mitigation. Data were collected by secondary sources including peer-reviewed journal, international reports, and academic publication, with a final sample of 42 relevant publications published between 2021 and 2025 and retrieved from Scopus, Google Scholar, and Deutsch. Okay, from results and discussion, the first one is key finding. From environmental management, it improves resource efficiency, reduce emission and waste, support low carbon economic development. From social responsibility, it enhances stakeholder engagement, social inclusion, and community resilience, contributing to sustainable development. And from governance, it strengthens transparency, investor confidence, and access to sustainable finance, accelerating green economic initiative. And from business outcome, it's encourage innovation, optimize operational costs, create stakeholder value, and mitigates long-term business risks. The findings indicate that sustainable business practice significantly support green economic growth through three main dimensions: its environmental management, social responsibility, and governance. This practice improve resource efficiency, encourage innovation, optimize operational costs, enhance stakeholder value, and strengthen organizational resilience against environmental and economic risks. The study also identifies innovation, cost optimization, stakeholder value creation, and risk mitigation as a primary mechanism linking sustainability business practice to long-term sustainable economic development. Number two is interpretation of result. The findings suggest that sustainable business practice are not merely corporate responsibility initiative but strategic drivers of economic growth. By integrating environmental, social, and governance principles into business operation, organization can improve resource efficiency, stimulate innovation, strengthen stakeholder trust, and enhance long-term competitiveness. This result address the research objective by demonstrating the mechanism through which sustainable business practice contribute to sustainable economic development. Furthermore, the findings are consistent with previous study, which emphasize that ESG implementation and sustainable-oriented strategies generate both environmental and economic benefit while supporting the transition toward a more resilient and inclusive green economy. The last one is implication of finding is the finding have important implication for theory, policy, and business practice. Theoretically, this study contribute to the sustainability literature by proposing an integrative framework that links sustainable business practice with green economic growth, providing a more comprehensive understanding of their relationship. From a policy perspective, the result highlight the need for supportive regulation, green financing, and standardized ESG framework to accelerate sustainable business transformation. Practically, the study encouraged organizations to integrate sustainability into their core strategies rather than treating it as compliance requirement, enabling them to improve competitiveness, operational efficiency, and long-term resilience while contributing to sustainable economic development. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.